Today we're going to be creating a scroll stopping effect for our Facebook page, but this effect works for pretty much any social media platform, including Instagram, TikTok, your website, emails, anything you want. Let's just get into it. So essentially what we're going to be doing is stopping that scroll. So anytime you're scrolling, this effect, the 3D overlay, will in fact stop the scroll. It piques interest. It will have people actually spend a couple of extra seconds checking out your post. Now, depending on what your offer is and what your post is will depend on how well it converts. You're going to have to try different things, but this is unique, and it's a unique way to generate social media content in 2021. So let's actually get into the effect, how you do it, what it is, and if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get this template here so that you can create your very own effects. So this is the template that we have created. Notice we're using Canva here for it. And again, I'm going to show you exactly how to download that at the end of the video. But what you're going to do is download this template once you've customized it with everything that you want, and you're going to have your effect. Now we're going to be using Premiere Pro today, so we're going to go ahead and create a new project. And within the new project, we're going to call it Scroll Stopping Facebook Post. Now, Facebook currently, their best recommendation, I believe, is a 4x5 post. However, I still do a lot of square posts because I think square works better for desktop and mobile. At least I've noticed that square tends to work quite well for me. So keep that in mind with whatever you do. So I'm just going to drag in my Canva template, and I'm going to drag it into my timeline, and that should create a 1080 by 1080 sequence. But what we'll do is up here in sequence settings, we will actually make sure that it is 1080 by 1080 or a 1x1. So again, if you want a 4x5, then look up the dimensions and type it in there. But we're going to just be doing a 1080 by 1080. Now I actually need this to last about 7 seconds. We're going to go ahead up to 8. And then we're going to actually jump into Viddyoze, where we're going to be adding the 3D overlay. Now, you don't have to use Viddyoze, but if you do, I do have a link down in the description if you want to sign up. It does help support the channel. But if you do use Viddyoze, then it will be incredibly easy and you can follow right along. We're actually going to be doing one called emoji. Let's just search for emoji. And we're going to be doing this falling emoji transition. So this is going to be the one that we use. However, you can use a ton of different effects within Viddyoze or really any software, but what we're looking for is this alpha channel, which if you don't have a template with an alpha channel, then hopefully you can create a green screen effect and you just key out the green screen. But regardless, these balls are going to fall down onto the screen over our social media post. I'll show you exactly how we're going to do this. Let me first upload. So once we have our pictures ready, and let me just go ahead and edit this and make sure that I have it scaled and sized how I want it. We are going to then go down to colors, and I'm going to make the background color white for this. And then I'm going to go down to continue, and I'm going to preview the actual emoji transition. And again, you can use any alpha channel to do this effect. You just need something that captures attention, and I find this falling emoji one to work quite well. There it is. It looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to click create, and it's going to actually create the effect. So our video is now done, so we will download it, and we will drag our file into Premiere Pro. So all we need to do at this point is actually just drag our video file over the image and make sure that they line up, put an in and an out point, and render out the clip so that we can actually verify that it is working before we actually export it. And that's the scroll stopping effect. So to export it, we're just going to come up to File and then go to Export Media. And I normally just leave this on match source high bitrate so that it is that square file. If you change this to like Facebook 1080, what you'll see is that it actually turns it into a 1080 clip. So we just want to keep that match source, and then we'll go ahead and hit export, and we should have our finished video, which is a 1080 by 1080 video file, and it looks just like that. We'll upload it to our Facebook page, and we will get some scroll stopping attention. I'm just kidding, guys. I only have one follower on the Facebook page, and it's me. So this is for brands and companies with more of a Facebook presence, which is why you're watching this video. I'm going to get out of here, but there is a link in the description where you can access the Canva template that I used as the backdrop. You can customize it to your brand and your brand specs. Then you can use really any alpha channel overlay. I'm sure there's a ton of different apps, ton of different options. I'm using Viddyoze because I am a member of the template club. If you want to sign up, there's a link in the description. Hope this video has brought you some value. My name is Scott with aiPROFITz.com. Again, that link down there for the Canva is 100% free, no opt-ins required. So go ahead and check it out. Drop the video a like. That would help a lot. Take care, have a fantastic day, and we'll see you in the next one.